let's use this channel what it was intended for. You know, dispatchers, load boards, whatever it is, if they try to send you out to Colorado, pay attention to this, because as according to codetrip.org, as of 4 p.m. today, commercial motor vehicles have been banned from so many roadways, and Colorado Highway Patrol advised that all drivers just stay put and do not go any further.
Trooper Molter here at Highway 83 for another weather update. Conditions are worsening, especially if you're in the I-70 region. Beginning today at 4 p.m., there are going to be some CMV restrictions that CDOT is going to be enforcing. There's going to be commercial motor vehicles and towed vehicles are going to be prohibited from travel between 4 p.m. Friday today and 8 a.m. tomorrow, Saturday, due to projected extreme weather impacts. So make sure you guys are being safe and finding a place to head to for at least the night until this storm finishes up.
You know, some say that Colorado Highway Patrol was a little bit too late by giving this information just hours ago, but it is here, and that's why we're sharing it. Please share it to all your friends and loved ones. I'll put a list of advisory of the closures that they put, but if you go on codetrip.org, you can see the same ones as well. Now, here's a couple things that you need to hear. One is that Colorado Highway Patrol has made it very known that there is lack of parking as of now, and urges drivers to remain in the Denver metro area.
Check cotrip.org before heading out. Remember, CMVs will not be allowed southbound on I-25 south of C-470 due to lack of parking and resources. Drivers are urged to remain in the Denver metro area.
Now, here's one thing that they do state, and I hate that they state this, but I know that there are some drivers that still won't pay attention, and tomorrow we'll make videos where drivers are stuck. But it says here, vehicle restrictions are still in effect for I-70. If a trooper locates a commercial motor vehicle or other restricted vehicles that is violating chain or traction law, a citation will be issued in that restricted area. Citations can be upwards of $1,000. Drivers need to stop that are heading west. Jeffco Fairgrounds are now up and running for commercial motor vehicle parking. Crews are heading to prep Denver Coliseum as an additional location. So, Mutha Truckers, I'm telling you right now, if you're in the Colorado area, they are banning so many locations. It says commercial motor vehicles and towed vehicles are prohibited from travel between 4 p.m. Friday, 11/8, and 8 a.m. Saturday.
Good morning, it's Captain Billinger. I am out on Highway 109 and Highway 160 in a blizzard. As you can see, this is the roadways. There's the snow. Anybody out and about today? Probably should not be. Troopers are covering crashes, rollovers, stuck vehicles, slide-offs. If you're out in this weather, do make sure that you are prepared for the weather, and I'd prefer that you stayed home.